welcome back to my channel. My name is Brian and this is my crew, Pinky and Mama. Today we're gonna teach you the song Indecente by Anitta. Let's start. Okay, let's start. For the first 8, you're gonna go face to your left. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 5, and 6, look up, then 7, drop on 8. One more time, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, side, 5, and up, 7, and 8. Okay, from here, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, flip it 6, turn around 7, point on 8. Try again one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn around and 8. Okay? From here, on the third one, you're gonna go up 1, 2, 3, raise your right knee. 4. Then step 5, put it back 6, up 7, and 8, 2. Alright, let's try. 7, 8, gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2. From here, you're gonna change 3. Drop 4. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and click 8. Let's try that one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Close 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, from here, you're gonna open it. Cross 1, cross 2, shift back. 8. One more time. You're gonna say 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn around 7, 8, and 1. Let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, you're gonna go jump 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's try that one. 7, 8, 6, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump on 5. 6, 7, 8. From here, you're gonna step 1, 2, 3, step back 4. So make sure your arm 4. Then step 5, prepare turn 6, 7, and 8. So it's you can do full turn or half. Let's try 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You can do full turn. Then go back to your center. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop on 5. Up 6, 7, and 8. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. The last 2 8s. From here, you're gonna open 1 shoulder up, 3, and a 4. Okay, then drop on 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's try 7 and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. For the last 8, you're gonna step on 1, 2, 3, 4. Raise your right knee. 5. dip 6. Gonna go 7.8. And 1, 2, 3, exit. 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's try the last 2. 8, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, exit. Okay, guys, let's connect everything from first to last 8. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Close. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step back. 2 and 3, 4, 5 on the 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. 5, head. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn around. 7, 8. Go back to your center. And 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Exit. There you have it, guys. Hope you liked the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give love for these two beautiful women. I'm back and see you soon. Bye-bye.